Hi everyone, in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to make double crochets. We'll start with our foundation, which is a slip knot. Wrap the yarn around your finger once and pull it out. By the way, I'm using a 2.5 mm hook and a 3-ply acrylic yarn. Insert your hook in the circle, yarn over and pull through. Tighten it, there you have your slip knot. If you are new to crochet, I have a perfect playlist made for you. Everything you need as a beginner is there. Try to check it out after the video. So we'll start making our chains, and we're going to be making a total of 10 chains for this project. You can go ahead and make as much as you want when you are familiar with the stitch. Okay, so here we have our 10 chains. I'm going to add 2 more chains, which count as our turning stitch. Right now we are going to yarn over, skip 2 chains, go over to the third chain from the hook, insert our hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Here we have our first double crochet. Yarn over, insert in the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Okay, so I think I should take it a little bit slow. Insert in the next chain stitch, yarn over, pull through. You have 3 loops on your hook. Okay, so yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and you have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Okay, so I think that is much better. You are going to continue doing this until you get to the end of the row. I always say this in my beginners tutorials that our speed is different. Everybody's pace is different, so you can keep on repeating as much as you can until you get what you want perfectly. Okay, so I'm gonna continue like this until I get to the end of the row. I'd like you to continue watching your screen until we get to the end of the row. Keep on practicing, you'll get there soon. I'm here at the end of the row, and this is what my work looks like. I hope yours look like this too, or even better, if there is anything better than this. Okay, so we're going over to the second row, which is a bonus for this tutorial. So chain up 2 just like you did in the beginning of the first row. Turn your work, yarn over, insert your hook in that same stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, insert in the next stitch, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So continue doing this until you get to the end of the row. I'll meet you there to finish up with you. So guys, I'm at the end of the row where I have 1 stitch left. I'll make my last double crochet on the first double crochet that we made in row 1, leaving out the additional 2 chains that we made. So we've come to the end of today's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed and learned something new. Please don't forget to like this video and share with your friends. Also subscribe and turn on your notification bell. Don't forget to check out that playlist I made for you in my channel. Okay, bye. See you in my next video. Mwah.